Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Bowman, and I wanted to go over this final project with you that is due on December the 5th or sooner. You are supposed to research a current set of test scores for one campus. Now, most of you have friends. If you're not in a school, you have friends that are, and so you could ask them if you could discuss their scores. You could go to a principal. You could, if as a last resort, you could go to the TEA website and find a campus, but that may be a little bit more challenging for you than actually talking to someone in a school or a school district. So you're going to look at this one set of test scores for a campus, and you will analyze the student population, and you're going to focus on on the subpops. Identify one group of need in one subject area. Let's say that you look at the African American population in this particular school, and you are looking at their 7th grade math. You could, if you wanted, you could take this project and you could look at, say, the Hispanic population on this campus, and you could look at their overall math. But you're looking at one group and one subject area. You could look at the ELL population or the Caucasian, the white population, and evaluate that. And you're going to explain why that you selected these scores and how you chose these scores. Now, explain the reasons that you think that there were low test scores. You can look at that data. Data is telling. It will speak to you, and it will tell you some reasons. When I say it will tell you, I don't mean it actually talks to you, but I do mean that you can glean some reasons why those scores are low. And you're going to develop a specific plan to enhance the learning and the progress for this group, which in turn would raise the campus state mandated test scores. Let's say, for instance, that you selected ELLs on a campus when their scores were low, and so as a result of that, you create an action plan that has specific things in place for ELL improvement, such as maybe special programs or specific teacher training, or just there are a lot of different things. It could be pull-out programs. It could be, but you should go research-based ideas and plans that have shown to prove improvement in state scores for ELLs. And you're going to include at least 2 references that you have researched on this topic. So first you're going to decide on your subject matter, and then your special pops, and then your subject matter and your grade. And then you're going to determine why those scores are low. You're certainly going to be selecting a group where their scores are lower than others. And then you're going to develop a plan that will help this special group improve the learning. The plan should include a timeline for implementation and include resources. Include at least 4 methods or actions that should be implemented for improvement, and explain how they would be used. You could even use RTI. Certainly that is a method to help students learn better. The final paragraph should state your reflection on the progress you use to draw your conclusions and your outcomes that you expect. This paper should be at least 3 pages in length. So if you have any questions about this, please call me or contact me, and we can work out those details together. Thank you, and I hope this helps.